If you're looking to make $1,000 this weekend, you don't need a huge startup investment or a long-term commitment. With the right strategies, you can generate fast income. Offer quick freelance services in areas where you have expertise. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients who need immediate help. Consider providing services that people in your area are willing to pay for quickly. Pet sitting, lawn care, cleaning, and handyman tasks are great options. Take advantage of unused items around your house by selling them online or in person. You can list items on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Many people are looking for help with small tasks over the weekend. Offer your services for grocery shopping, assembling furniture, or running errands. Sign up to drive for Uber or deliver food with DoorDash. During weekends, there's often increased demand, and you can earn bonuses for working peak hours. If you own a car or a spare room, you can make money by renting them out. Platforms like Turo and Airbnb can help you generate income quickly. If you have expertise in a specific subject, consider teaching or tutoring. Websites like VIP Kid and Chegg Tutors allow you to earn $50 to $100 per hour. Buy underpriced items and resell them for a profit. Thrift stores and garage sales are great places to find undervalued products. Market research companies often pay for consumer feedback. You can earn money quickly by signing up for paid survey websites. Host a workshop or event if you have a skill others want to learn. Charge a fee for participation to make money over the weekend. Making $1,000 in a weekend is possible if you leverage your skills and resources efficiently. Choose the right combination of services or freelancing.